To foster peace and stability, a 5-day capacity building workshop for lawmakers from Plateau State House of Assembly has commenced in Abuja at the National Institute for Legislative and Democratic Studies head office, aimed at enhancing their legislative skills and promoting effective governance. According to the Director General, National Institute for Legislative and Democratic Studies, Professor Abubakar Sulaiman, the workshop is designed to equip the lawmakers with the necessary knowledge and skills to develop effective legislation that will address the security challenges facing the state and protect its citizens. KAFTAN News correspondent Victoria-DURO has the details.
Plateau State is known for its rich tourism potential with attractions such as the Just Wildlife Park, Plateau State Tourist House, and the National Museum. However, the state tourism industry has been hindered by security challenges. To address these challenges, a 5-day capacity building workshop has commenced in Abuja for lawmakers in Plateau State, with the goal of enhancing their capacity to make laws that will promote peace, order, and security in the state. The workshop aims to equip lawmakers with the skills and knowledge needed to develop effective legislation that will address the security challenges facing the state and protect its citizens. Professor Abubakar Sulaiman, Director General of NILDS, urged participants to engage fully in the workshop to foster peace, stability, and harmony in Plateau State, with the aim of restoring normalcy in the state and providing security.
This workshop, therefore, has been carefully designed to address practical issues in lawmaking, legislative proceedings, committee work, budget scrutiny, and oversight functions. It will also provide a platform for cross-learning, experience sharing, and reflections on how to strengthen legislative-executive relations while maintaining institutional independence of the both arms of government. I want to urge to engage fully in this session, interrogate issues, and take away actionable insights that will transform the operations of the Plateau State as perception. In Plateau State, we are undergoing serious challenges about of insecurity. We need peace, stability, and harmony. That signaling that Plateau State is the state of peace and harmony must be rejuvenated back to Plateau State.
Onofiong Luke, former Speaker Akwa Ibom State House of Assembly, emphasized the need for legislatures to be founded and equipped with adequate skills to discharge their duties effectively.
I think we need to improve on what we've already had by way of serious oversight. We've had challenges in the part of oversight in the legislature because of lack of funding, most times for the legislators, and then because of lack of expertise. For instance, you cannot go and oversight a technical area like NNPC if you don't have people with the knowledge of oil and gas as support staff of the committee on upstream or downstream. You can't go and oversight a committee on works if you don't have engineers. So we need to begin to look at the recruitment of professionals as support staff at the committee level.
Professor Sulaiman emphasized the need for all hands to be on deck to provide effective governance, stressing that the workshop is a product of research aimed at bridging the knowledge gap in legislative practices. Victoria-DURO, reporting for KAFTAN TV.